Alright everyone, today I will be making a setup tour. I've not done a setup tour in absolutely ages. I got my phone and my microphone, so you should get an okay video quality. I hope I can have good video quality with this microphone, but this is like how I always have my setup. I really need to update it, and yeah, hope you guys like it. First of all, we have, oh, I forgot to remove yeah, I have made mistake of having the LED on, but we have the, oh, okay, fix it now, turned off the light. But here is I use my old iPhone as a webcam, and it has the light on. Currently watching the Fosscast with Andrew Gray. I think it's Andrew Gray. But yeah, here's normally the microphone is like this, and you can see it here on the screen. I'll just move it out of the way. Here I was just drinking some Pepsi. I don't know what actually this is, some kind of papers, my PlayStation 5, here is my main monitor. My Corsair, I think it's K95 keyboard, has had this for a couple of years. My Asus 27-inch 2K monitor, I don't know what, actually it's 144 Hz, but yeah, I think I need to update because I want to get like I want to get a 120 Hz monitor for the PlayStation, and there is one I got my own, but first I need to upgrade other parts of my setup. Here we have the Corsair Vengeance, no, I think it's Corsair. I had this phone for ages. It's my favorite mouse. I cannot even imagine what will happen if this one breaks, because I don't know if they actually have anything in stock of this one. Here is my, always need to have like this type of tool, what I don't know what you actually call it. My external hard drive, my Astro A40 TR. I don't know what you call it, like cap. You put it on the headphones, and you can have it like soundproof, or yeah, it's not soundproof but sound dampening. Here are my, oh, I have no idea what speakers those are, but it's studio monitors. They are very good. I would never go back to speakers. And here is my PlayStation 5 Day 1 edition. I might have been one of the first people in my country to get PlayStation 5 disc edition. Here is my PC, and okay, currently I am having some kind of, as I told you, I'm redoing my bathroom, so I just put all my tools here. And yeah, this is the PC. It has Core i9 9700K, or let me check, on MSI motherboard. It's a Zotac. Is there no autofocus? Zotac 4080 graphics card with I think 1000 watt power supply. The Corsair, it's XPG, I think it's G-Skill. The RAM, I'm not sure, or is just XPG. I'm actually not sure at all. Then I have a Corsair CPU cooler, all in one, water cooler, with my favorite case ever, the NCXT i500, no, i700H, I think it's called. I don't remember. And now for the worst part, I usually have like a mat here, because I don't know, I like to, when it's a little bit cold, it's like a bathroom mat, but I like to have it here on my feet, my white socks. And now comes the worst of them all, is the cable management. Oh my god, it's the worst shit ever. But, and here we have like a 10 meter of Ethernet cable running to the wall. Yeah, it's not so good. I've got an Elgato HD60X underneath there. Yeah, and some other stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much it. There's some basic setup. I want to get rid of this monitor here. I want to get rid of him because it's like very old. It's I don't know, BenQ from maybe 2014. It's very good monitor for the price. I think it was like $100 at the time, but now it's probably worth $10 to be honest. This one, I think it was I don't know, $700 at the time, but in my country it's fucking expensive. And yeah, I have my webcam on like this small tripod, and here is another studio monitor, and there is the Astro mix amp. It's very old. And yeah, that's it. I did not clean at all. I always have this crap on here. Yeah, here is like the external hard drive. This is the random external hard drive, and here is for my PlayStation, for my PS4 games. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little, I don't know, setup tour. It used to be a very common back in the days for people to, I don't know, give the setup tour. And yeah. Yeah, I forgot to mention I have the Rode microphone arm. It's, I don't know, the best arm in the game. Actually, when I bought it, I was very, very unhappy at the beginning, but then I just needed to adjust the settings. Yeah, I think the plan for this year should be to have that upgrade my gaming room. Yeah, I don't know, since I bought my house in 2020 or 2020, I always tried to do something every year. We did when I bought it, I did the floors, I replaced 2 doors, the kitchen, painted everything, did all the electricity, because the electricity is on like, it's like on the outer side of the wall, so it's not inside the wall, just behind the skirting board. And yeah, I've rambled into something else. Last year I did I'm still doing it now. I did the bathroom. Currently need to just buy the interior like the cabinets and everything like that. My goal for this year is to make some kind of, I don't know, like have my TV and some kind of like these wooden acoustic panels. I think it looks sick. And like my walls, they're not the perfect. They're old walls, like with sparkle, or I don't know what you call it, like cement walls. They're not the most beautiful, but like this looks insane. Like if you see like the TV, the wall, the like cabinets here, like this one, this looks very good. But I'm trying to look at IKEA like for something cheap, and like also this one looks very good. It's not acoustic wall panels like I want, but look sick. I'm not really big fan of this one to have like a I don't know what you call it, like this wooden shit here on the behind the TV. I just want to have like I don't know. It looks better like this. Definitely want to like make my room something similar to this, like wall. It looks like black and white, but there's like wall panels to make it like soundproof, look cool. I got a really nice desk. I don't really want to update my desk, but I want to have like the monitor stacking. So if you see the monitor here, this one, and there should be one here, like stacking. It looks very good. Because I don't really like to look to the side. Then I can have like my studio monitors on the side, like one monitor and then studio monitor on the side. Studio monitors. Looks very good, and I know like Pinterest is for like girls, but it's very, I like it a lot. Yeah, sort of like this one, having like a monitor, but I don't know, 27 or 32-inch monitor and then one on top. Preferably having like the same size monitors. Okay, I think this will wrap up the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely want to do like gaming videos and like, I don't know, live videos. But hope you guys like it. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to ask or want to get more like this, and maybe I'll update you or show you when I have updated my living room, which I definitely want to do this year, and of course updated gaming setup in the near future, I hope. Yeah, goodbye.